So hey guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. This is supposed to be for my puppies channel. But today we are going to be doing, so we just saw the barking. We're going to be doing Simon Says with this one. Her name's Ginger, and this is the other one. So, I'm about to go get Simon Says, and we will see you in a little bit. So, as you guys see, I have Simon Says. It took me a little long. Plus, this uncovered because Ginger. So, Ginger, wanna play? Oh, we're gonna play Simon Says with this one. And if he doesn't want to play. I'm gonna try to show his face. You have to look right here, okay? Okay, look. So I'm gonna put this wall back and then Chase, good job. So you won't see him, but you'll hear him. That's Ginger. So he knows how to play, he knows how to play Simon Says by himself. But I'm going to turn this so you guys can see them. Okay, so where is the distance? So guys, I'm just so sorry that all this is happening. We might not get any subscribers, but I don't care. It's just a video that you're recording trying to make money. I don't care if I don't get any subscribers. All it is just a stupid video. And then I'm gonna try to hold this. Ginger, do not knock this over. So as you guys can see, this is Chase, and then we're gonna turn it. Go away, Ginger. You're not gonna. As you guys see, he likes to buy people. Oh, so this one wants to play. So this is what you guys got to do. I'm trying not to show me. Sorry about the noise. So guys, this is the done video. So, well guys, my video is done because the dogs went away. So I'm going to name this video, you'll see. Bye.